YouTube Wagwan. Good morning, good morning. It is August the 2nd and the first day of the track and field events where we see the Jamaicans. Now we just watched 300-meter heats and we were looking for the three Jamaicans representing Sasha-lee Forbes, Clayton, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. We are missing Elaine Thompson. As you know, she did not qualify for the Olympics, and Shericka Jackson, who qualified but withdrew before the heats. Now let's get into the results. Now the heat started early this morning, about 4:50 a.m. Jamaican time. 8 rounds, and the top three from each round would go through to the semifinals. First heat, we saw one of the top competitors, Sha'Carri, the American sprint star. She ran in fine style, got to her top speed, but then eased down, looking like a jog on a nice sunny day. She got the only sub 11 in her heat, and her time was 10.94. Sha'Carri did look real good. Now in Heat 2, we saw Julien Alfred of St. Lucia taking the lead, easing off at the line, winning her heat in 10.95. Now we're pulling up the visuals as we go, so you'll see them throughout the video. Now, she also had the only sub 11. Zoe Hobbs in that heat got her season's best in 11.08. Both Sha'Carri and Alfred had some of the fastest times this year, with Sha'Carri in the lead. Now on to Heat 3. It was a little bit more competitive and faster. Good run, but they had to work for it. Not looking as easy and smooth as the prior heats. Now, Daryll Neita, she got her season's best in 10.92, winning her heat. Jefferson took second in 10.96. Now, the third place in that heat also got a national record, so her country will be celebrating that achievement. Now we move on to Heat 4. The Jamaican star coming out. Young star Clayton went into this one with her 10.86 from the national trials. Well, you must remember that was a big achievement for Tia. Now Tia looks serious but ready to take on the big league. Now she bolts down the track, running strong. She had the lead but ended up getting second in her heat. The Canadian took the win in that heat, getting her country a national record in 10.95, looking mighty proud. Tia got second and her time was 11 flat. Now in Heat 5, eyes were on the Brit Asha Smith, and we saw the first hiccup. Not particularly a false start, but her movement, she kind of dropped over. It set the track off, and it caused some nerves among the athletes, but they got into it again, they got ready, and off they went without any hiccups this time. Sebodia and Asha Smith side by side, with Sebodia edging out Asha Smith at the line to get the win in 10.99. Exciting stuff so far, right? Yeah, it was a good watch. No, after that, we saw so Seboda and Asher Smith side by side, with Seboda edging out Asher Smith at the line to get the win in 10.99. Asher Smith second in 11.01. No, Heat 6 came next, and it was the slowest of all the heats so far, but that happens sometimes. Sasha-lee Forbes, or Jamaican, was in this one. She got out fast. The American Terry, though, edged her out to win the heat in 11.15. Sasha got second in 11.17. By this time, as you know, we have two Jamaicans who perform in the heats, both moving to the semis with their second place finishes, but no sub 11 times. Remember, we had Tia getting the 11 flat and Sasha getting 11.17, so no sub 11 times, but that's fine. It's the heats, right? And Tia having the best time of the two. Now, at this time, we awaited the highly decorated athlete Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce to touch down on the track, but she wasn't in the seventh heat. They show Shelly in the call room laughing, and they stated that people look up to her. She in this long time, Shelly is a leader. Now Shelly was in her famous wig, this time with the green shining bright. Now in the seventh heat, we saw Gina in first in 11.01 and Kambundji in second in 11.05. No sub 10 times for that heat. And in the eighth and final heat, what we were all waiting for, we not only saw our chat queen Shelly, but Talu. Now the race started off easy. We have two veterans in this race, and they definitely took the lead. Shelly and Talu led the track easy, smooth and easy. These heats are the fastest times, though it didn't look like it the way how they were running smooth and nice, not overexerting themselves. No, Talu, the veteran Talu, so our cousin, Adapa, right? She took the heat in 10.87. Shelly second in 10.92, both leading the track. Love how the veterans look. They surely shine in that heat. Alright, so we posted the visuals, the results, so that you can see it. We can't post the race, as you know. We were missing Sharika and Elaine in this one, but we are still rooting for Jamaica all the way. So we have Shelly, Sasha, Tia, all through to the finals. All three Jamaicans we will see in the semis, not the finals. My apologies. And we'll update you then. Hopefully they all go through to the finals. So that's it for the update for the results for the first big track and field event for Jamaicans, which is the 100-meter heats for women. We hope you enjoy this. Do thumbs up, like, comment, and we have more coming your way. So subscribe. Alright guys, have a blessed Friday. Big up yourself, take care of yourself, and we'll talk pretty soon.